Hi friends, once again KTSir is here from the channel Kartik Tuitions. In this video, we are going to talk about yet another topic from the chapter circle. Now, before starting with this video, we need to recollect a small concept which we have done earlier also. I am talking about theorem of external division of chords. I have a circle, I have two chords which are intersecting out the circle at point E. Now, since two chords are intersecting outside the circle, we get EA into EB is equals to ET into EB. This we have already done. Now, in today's video, we are going to talk about tangent secant segments theorem. Now, the title itself tells you that we need to have a tangent, we need to have a secant, then only this theorem is applicable. Now, so for that, we have just modified a figure a bit. I have one tangent, I have one secant, and hence the application becomes EA into EB is equals to ET into ET. Sir, ऐसा क्यों? See, ET is our tangent. It is not going to touch the circle at 2 points. So it becomes ET into ET. That is our ET square. I hope you have understood till here. Now let's go to the proof of this theorem. It's very easy. Basically, the criteria is one has to be a secant, one has to be a tangent. Then only we get this application, that is EA into EB is equals to ET square. Now let's have a look at its proof. Now I have to prove EA is equals to EB is equals to ET square. Now to prove this, I need a small help of construction, that is AT and BT. Now when I join these two, I get two triangles. I get triangle EAT and triangle EBT. Now my motive is to prove these two triangles similar. Can we prove? Yes. How? First, angle E is a common angle for both the triangles. So our first condition is satisfied. Now I need one more condition to prove the triangles similar. See, if you observe angle ETA and angle EBT. Now this is the angle formed between tangent and secant, and its interceptor arc is AT. Same way, if you observe angle ABT, it is an inscribed angle and its interceptor arc is again AT. So basically, this both the angles have the same interceptor arc. So in other words, they are congruent. And the reason either you can write angles in alternate segments or you can write theorem of angle between tangent and secant. Now, since the two angles are congruent in two triangles, we can say the triangles are similar by a test of similarity. Now, if the triangles are similar, what can we say about the sides? Sides are in proportion. So here I get EA upon ET is equals to ET upon EB, CSST. Now, when we do the chokri cross multiplication, we get EA into EB is equals to ET square. Hence, we have proved tangent secant segments theorem. I hope you have understood the theorem till now. Let's have a look at two sums which are based on the same concept. In adjoining figure, ray PQ touches the circle at point Q. PQ is 12, PR is 8. Find PS and RS. Now, first of all, observe. It has one tangent, it has one secant. Now here they are talking about the length PQ, length PR, and they have asked us to find PS as well as RS. Now, since we have a tangent and secant, we can go for tangent secant segment theorem. It gives us PQ square is equals to PR into PS. So here PQ square is equals to what? PR into PS. Now let's substitute the value. What is PQ? 12. So it is 12 square is equals to 8 into PS. Now 12 square is what? 144. So it is 144 upon 8 is equals to PS. Now if you simplify this, it will give us 18 units. So in other words, PS is our 18 units. Now once you get PS, you can easily get RS. So say, see, PS is made up of two parts. PR plus RS, and the reason is between dash P dash R dash S. Now in this we know the PS value, that is 18 is equals to 8 plus RS. So RS is equals to 18 minus 8, so RS is equals to 10 units. I hope you have understood this sum. Let's look at one more sum. Now P is a point of contact. If the measure of arc PR is 140 degree, angle POR is 36 degree, find measure arc PQ. Now don't get confused with the figure and the data. In the first part of the sum, they are talking about measure of arc. and in second part they have given us the length of segment. तो दो अलग concept है, so be careful with this sum. Now see, in a first part, as I told you, they are talking about angle POR, which is 36 degree. Now POR is the angle from outside the circle. So basically it is half the difference of its intercepted arc. So it's half into measure of arc PR minus measure arc PQ. And the reason is what? Measure of an angle with its vertex outside the circle. याद करो इसका भी हमने वीडियो मैंने बनाया हुआ है. You can have a look at this video. Now let's substitute the value. It is 36 is equals to half into 140 minus measure arc PQ. Now 2 will go on that sort of equal sign. It will become 36 into 2, that is 72 degree, is equals to 140 minus measure arc PQ. Now, since measure arc PQ is negative on right hand side, I'll shift it on right hand side, it will become positive. So measure arc PQ is equals to 140 degree minus 72 degree. See, 36 to is 72. We are shifting 72 on right hand side, so plus will become minus. So measure arc PQ is equals to 68 degree. So we have finished the first part of the sum. Now let's move to the second part. If OP is 7.2, OQ is 3.2, find OR and QR. Now see, here they are talking about the length of the segment. So the concept will be tangent secant segments theorem. Now let's start. Now here OP is 7.2, OQ is 3.2. So basically I get OP square is equals to OQ into OR, and the reason is what? Tangent secant segments theorem. Now after this, 7.2 into 7.2 is equals to 3.2 into OR. So OR is equals to 7.2 into 7.2 upon 3.2. Now when you simplify this, you will get it as 16.2 units. So we have got the length of OR. Now they have asked us to find the QR. Now see, OR is made up of two parts, OQ plus QR. O dash Q dash R. Now OR is how much? 16.2 is equals to 3.2 plus QR. So QR is equals to 16.2 minus 3.2. Now when you subtract this, you get it as 13 units. I hope you have understood this sum also. If you have enjoyed watching this video, do share this video with your friends and do write your comments in my comment section. Also like, share and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Thank you.